Hello audience and welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss lecture number 24 and I have collected all these vocabulary, facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, deter, its meaning is try to prevent, show opposition to, hindrance. Next one, vigilance, attentiveness, alertness, watchfulness. Next one, heinous. So its meaning is something which is very bad, evil, brutal. Next one, juvenile. So juvenile of relating to young people who have uh, committed crimes. If there is a juvenile crime, so it's mean that the crime are committed by children, but in literal meaning juvenile are those who have not attained the age of 18. Next one, belittle, so people who criticize. Next one, probation, a situation in which a person who has committed a crime is allowed to stay out of prison if that person behaves well, does not commit another crime. So probation and parole, all these have been discussed in Police Act of 1861 along with Police Order of 2002. Next one, etched, so inscribed, enter, enroll. Next one, benevolent, so its meaning is kindly. Next one, reluctant, so its meaning is hesitant, feeling or showing aversion, dubious. Next one, recommendations, a suggestion about what should be done. Now I will discuss some vocabulary from I.A. Rahman opinion, and that is unreal response to outrage. Now resort, so something that you choose for help, especially because no other choice are possible. uh, but the other meaning of resort is a beautiful outing place. Now reverberated, so its meaning is echo or resound, gunjna. Next one, unearthing, to find or discover that was hidden or lost. Now, next one, morbid. So its meaning is relating to unpleasant subject. Next one, boorishness. So its meaning is insensitive person, rudeness. Next one, liaison. Its meaning is association, connection, linkage, relation. Now, next one, loafer. So its meaning is do nothing, lazy bone, lotus eater, a person who does not work hard. Next one, fiend. So its meaning is demon, devil, monster, miscreant, villain. Next one, malady. So its meaning is disease or illness. Next one, maniacs. So this term is basically related to neuroscience or neuropsychology or mental disease. Mania is a disease condition. Sometimes a person become happy and at the same time become too much upset or depressed. We also call it a bipolar disorder. So maniac's meaning is psycho, crazy, and the next one, brevity. So briefness, short, abridge, concise. Next one, murkier. So obscure, dusky, dim, not clearly understood. Next one, bypass. So to avoid something, to avoid someone, to neglect. And the last one is callous, so unfeeling. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. If you people have any query, So ask freely and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. And may the God watch over you, and may the blessing of God never cease upon you. Thank you.